So the first two questions can be answered from code.org lesson 13 level 1, okay? And then number 3, the answers for number 3 can be found from code.org lesson 13 level 7. So you will find the answers to number 3 on this page. I'm actually going to do number 4 together with you guys. So you will have the answer for that. I want to just explain it because it's a little confusing. So we talked about creating classes, and we did that last week when you guys styled the seasons on that one page. So we had a class for each of the seasons: summer, spring, fall, etc. So up here, there's a class called Fancy. And in this example, it's telling us a class has already been created for us called Freshman in the HTML file. Remember, a class needs to be created in both the HTML file and in the CSS file. So number 4 is telling us that a class has already been created for us in the HTML, and we need to style it in the CSS file by adding an overline to a class called Freshman. So we can see here that this paragraph, HTML is fun, has been created with a class called Freshman, okay? So when we come over here to the workspace, we want to use our class called Freshman, and that's how we're going to style it. So we're going to put .freshman and then our curly brace. And then down here, this is where we want to put our role. And I don't know if you guys remember from a couple lessons ago, but to get an overline, we want to use text decoration, and we want it to the value to be overline. Okay, so that's how we would get what we have over here. And of course, we want to finish up with our curly brace, okay? So if you watch the video, you have the answer to number 4. So hopefully that makes sense to you guys. And then you will use those 2 different levels on lesson 13 to complete questions 1, 2, and 3.